and we are still up. I mean, I haven't slept, so I didn't need my alarms that I set. But this is the Bafana lineup. So three changes. Yaya Sitola returns after being suspended in the last match, and he replaces Tibogo Mokoena. Mofokeng comes in for Jaden Adams, and he'll be playing in his natural number 10 position, while Evidence Magopa comes in for Ikaram Reyners. After the second half that Magopa had, I think, the minutes that he came on in the second half versus Czech Republic, I think he did good and he deserves to start. And we have now gone, all three our strikers will be starting in the World Cup. So obviously, if we do get the positive result, Coach Hugo Bras will then know who to start in the knockout stages. With bringing Mofu King, we want him there. Everyone was shouting his name when he came on against Czech Republic. He had an impact on the game as well. And then with the IC tour, I think he couldn't get a worse game than what he had against Mexico. Obviously, losing the ball, which led to a goal, and also getting a red card. I think you cannot get the worst performance in that. I think he'll be there to redeem himself. The only issue I have is when we do build up from the back is who's going to collect the ball. Will it be? It can't be Ayashitole because they will press him. And Talenton Barra's also not the best at receiving the ball from Ronald Williams. And the thing with Korea is they press you to where they want you to play. So if they're covering the wider options, they would want us to go to that center pass, play it into our defensive midfield where they can press us there and win the ball back the same as Mexico did. But nevertheless, we almost at the kickoff. I'm nervous. I don't know why, but I wish the boys all of the best. It's me, football Hakir, but yeah, what do I know about football?